Guys, welcome back to another video. So, back to my Mylee advent calendar. Today is 11 days away from Christmas. 11 days away, guys. It's getting close. So this is door number 11. What do you think it is? Any ideas? Ooh, look at this. This looks exciting. Oh, I can't get it out. Hey, got it. I got it. I didn't break that one either. So what is it? Mylee Cushion Powder Pen Moon Dust Holographic Effect. This looks really cool. So, again, like I said yesterday, Mylee products are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. You get 0.5 grams. So this is a chrome powder pen in silver. Right, 1 second. I'm going to get a swatch stick ready and we'll see what it's like, shall we? Right, guys, so I've pulled a black swatch stick out and I've given it a coat of a no wipe shiny top coat. So I tried to apply the chrome powder over this no wipe shiny top coat, guys, but it wouldn't work. So I'm now wiping over it with a lint-free pad with some isopropyl alcohol on it. Look at that. Wow. I love that. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to give it a quick top coat and seal that in. So there we are, guys. That is the second day. Look at that. Look at that rainbow effect. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? And it applied really nice once I went over the tip with some alcohol. I must remember that in future if I ever struggle with these again. And look at the label on that pen. How beautiful is that? That is so pretty. I love that. So that was a really exciting one. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.